This is my Lenovo G560 laptop. Originally I was running Windows 7, but Windows 7 isn't supported anymore. They always give me nagging updates about updating to Windows 10. So I did a fresh installation on a new partition of Windows 10 using the activation key that's on the bottom of my laptop over here. So I used the Windows 7 activation key for installing Windows 10, but let me go boot it up if I can get the mouse there. But there was a problem. It didn't activate. It let me install Windows, but you can read over here on ZDNet that they stopped upgrading for free Windows installations from 7 or 8 to 10. This was in around October 2023 that they stopped doing it, even though they said it'd end 7 years before that. So I missed the cutoff by a year, the unofficial cutoff. So you can see over here I've installed Windows 10 Home. And let me go to activation, which I think I can access it from if I scroll down. It's pretty annoying. Where's activation? Maybe I can just type in activation over here. Activation. And I can just select this one over here. See if Windows is activated. And you can see it's not activated. It's a bit lame that they won't offer this for free. Now they want me to purchase it for, I don't know, $50 or $100. I'm just not going to use Windows 10, I guess, or I'll use it from time to time if I really need to do something on Windows 10. But yep, you cannot upgrade Windows 10 for free if you have Windows 7 installed on there. It will just install, and then you'll see that it's not activated in settings.